Hey guys, what's going on? I'm bringing you another Airsoft video. This time I'm gonna be rocking this fabulous King Arms PDW. This is a solid gun. So well, yeah, let's see how it goes.
Oh dear! Ah! Get back!
Yeah. You see that deagle?
Yeah.
Right there.
I'm gonna try to make it fair. It would be because the two new guys.
Yeah.
They want to be together.
Okay.
I think I want to be on their team with Deagle.
I got you.
You be on their team.
Okay.
So I have no range.
Right here, you got deagle. Take mag.
Yeah, baby.
In the blood and sinking deeper. Oh, good one there, boy. Good. Yeah, watch the window. Where did you came from? Where did you came from? Okay, that's fair. Hey man, what's going on?
Man, you know, I thought I was supposed to be working the whole day, so I didn't bring my kit.
Oh shit, I got you. And these ones are kind of my primary right now. It's like the. What do you mean it's goofy?
It's goofy.
No, hell no, it ain't.
That shit was goofy as fuck, man.
Yeah.
Like in the first 3 minutes, I was just dry firing the entire time.
I got you, man. I respect the
Hey, let me use the D.
D.
It's pretty nice.
You pull her out. Let me see. Oh yeah, you're out, sister.
I was out?
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah. Okay, give me a second. I'm tired. Die, damn it! Ah, yeah. Fucking damn it. God damn it.
Explain. Well, actually, you guys were right or blue side?
Get dab me up, bro. Come on, dab me up. Yeah.
They went blue side. Alright. So it's gonna be these three versus y'all two.
Y'all.
Okay.
Alright,
Dab me up again, bro. Dab me up. Dab me up.
It will be Gucci.
Okay. Dab me up, bro. Dab me up, bro. Dab me up. Dab me up again, bro. Come on, dab me up. Dab myself up, man. Yeah. Okay.
Is it 2 of y'all or 3?
2.
Okay, I guess we'll just do a 3v2 then.
Okay. We have a third?
No, we were gonna do 1v2, but so they're over there, but I'm gonna go join their side.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, just so you know, I have like 5 rounds. You might have to give me your Desert Eagle.
Okay, fair enough. Here. Take it already.
Take right now.
Yeah, right here.
Do you have a magazine?
You drop it again.
Motherfucker,
I
tell you what.
am
I
sending you
tell
to the pits of hell.
You guys want to run a 6-minute game or 8-minute game?
6, make it 6. I'm fucking tired.
Man, make it 6. I got 1 mag in my bow, so it's super.
Yeah, we're not gonna last. Hold on, wait a minute. What if?
Yo, no, it's no gas.
No gas.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's a hassle.
No, we're starting here.
Yeah, we start here. There's 2 of us.
Oh. Fuck.
2! Go! I'm not fucking around.
I am.
Fuck my little asshole and call me a slut.
I'm believe we are clear.
Hey, nobody's in here. Do not answer. Do not answer. We will begin the ball touching soon.
What?
Or else we'll get racist.
Sorry, man. No, let it go. 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 I will shoot you. I'm sorry. Had to make sure. Yeah, it's sad. I'm okay with this. Hey, man, right here. Take my gun. Take my gun. Take my gun. Give me your gun. Yeah. Yeah. He got me lacking. I have to more.
Winding up, big boy.
Hey, keep in mind, I've been shooting it quite a bit. No, mid-caps. Right here, take another one. Hey, man, take a hit. Nice. Call you lacking, homie. Yep. We're down here. You got this? Okay, I'm gonna take it. What the fuck are you shooting, Hal? What is you're not shooting anything! Bro, this man doing the hand solo.
Morbid mode.
This man morphed too much.
Morbid mode. Ready?
Yeah, that's it. No, my boy! You killed my homeboy! That was cool. Oh shit! Hey, strong fella. Man, you guys had a plan. Whew.
A few more seconds later, man.
A few more seconds, I would have been pooped on. I think that you morphed a little bit too much, man.
What?
You morphed a little bit too much.
Right, just see me.